Hello guys. Yes, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and yeah, I'm back with an okay Friday. Glad to close the week green and all green day, not a red day. Zero red day for about 3 weeks now. So yeah, I'm really happy. Even though today was not like even though today I did not catch the whole move of the stock, since this is probably where I wanted it to be, 1975. It's just holding around previous day close, and it was really strong around previous day close, and I get stopped, and eventually it went up again. So I was actually watching it in 19 area, but I said it looks like it's holding 19 area. Maybe it's a good long again, but since it tried twice, it's just I feel like it's just gonna stay there again, and I didn't know it's gonna go up. And 1972 is probably the key area that's gonna go, and it's probably gonna resist there and see what happens. So today was I got stopped a few times, like at the open. So I had long, took some off, and then just like stop at break even. And then when I saw that it's still trying and I got in again, like look how fast I trade. And I was really hoping for 1925. That's the key level I was drawing, but someone's just dumping and selling their shares in there. And eventually it got stopped again. And then that was a decent profit since I got two good trades in there. But it's just tough. And when I saw this, oh my god, it's like, what? Maybe it's gonna be long to this 1855 area, and it actually broke pre-market low. So, and then I said, I good thing I did not chase this. Imagine if I chased this, I could have stopped, and it could have been and I could have ended up in a really bad day. And look at that, I entered long when I saw that it's really holding 19, and then I thought it's just gonna reverse here somewhere. And yeah, it was strong, and then I see a pressure getting in once it touches 19, and then I eventually took it long again, and my risk was really wide because I don't want to give back whatever I have here. I might get chopped again, so I was really hoping for high of day break. My stop was really wide, like here, so it's just I was just being careful. So, and then I only got a bit of it, like probably half. Yeah, so like kind of a 1 hour, but yeah, it's just it was tough. So taking 10%, I was actually taking in 50% here because I thought it's gonna go to 50, but it didn't. So I just took most of my. You can see I waited a bit, and then I just took most of it because I know it's resisting a 1950 area. So eventually it did work, but I'm already out of the position. So I was watching CCL. I think CCL was the best one. CCL, yeah, look at that. But it started weak. Whoever had this long here, but it's like below VWAP, so it's really hard to take it long for a breakout. So, and then it got rejected. This is probably where you wanna enter because it tried, and then it's gonna break pre-mark this 12.3. This is probably where you want to enter, and look what happened. I didn't want to trade CCL because I kind of like DAL sometimes when it moves. Yeah, so like same for this one. If you look, it's hard to take it long if it's like below VWAP, right? And this is a gap down stock, and SPY was below VWAP as well. So it's it's hard to have biases. So same for AAL. See, you could have gotten trapped in here, right? Because it's just within VWAP, and yeah, I'm so happy I ended up green today. I'm really happy, really happy. Oh, I was actually looking at AMAT as well, AMAT, but oh, let's see what happened. No, I didn't like. Good thing I did not trade that. And I think it was JD. Yeah, like you see, it's like an engulfing within this, and you don't know where it's going. If you take a short here, you get stopped. you took it long here, because it opened here. Oh, it opened here. Yeah, it opened here. Probably get stopped. This is probably where you want to enter. But and then look what happened. It just got rejected. So it's tough. Tough day. Ended up green. I'll take it. Gonna stop the day. I don't know if I'm gonna trade the close. I'll be out by 12. So let's watch my trade. So I was actually focusing in the DAL, as you can see from here. So market opens, it just sell off, like heavy sell off. But when it's sold off, I like this wick. So this is a sign that I could probably consider this a long. Don't want to short this yet. If you want to take it short, wait for it to stay here or stay here. And if there's like, just look at the wick. You can tell that it's someone's just buying it. So there you go, 19. I was actually late for a few cents. My entry was 1903, but I actually took it $19. And what was that? See, I took 10% in there. I got filled here instead of here. That's a crazy move, right? So spread is okay, but it's just you don't know where it's going. So I entered again. Just moves crazy. So I got scared. So I waited a bit. I'm just said, since I got stopped in the first one, maybe I'm just gonna stop out at 19 instead. But my average is 1905. And I was actually patiently, I did not stop out in there. But I was ready. I'm still in trade. So I'm so glad I did not stop myself out in there. It's like 1925. Let's see some more. It's just so quick. Took some more off in there. Like, man, look at that. Like, so happy I survived this. Like, crazy how it moves. 30 cents. So after this, I waited for a bit. I didn't want to enter because it got rejected at this level that I draw. This is where I see a seller at this area. So just dump, like, so this now is a 40-cent move. Okay, so this pre-market low, 1875. I said, oh, it's gonna break 1875. Now I'm too late. Yeah, breaking 1875. Now I'm too late. Like, this is the part you don't want to chase. Yeah, now it's back to 75. Imagine if you entered 80, now it's back to, it's not even, there's buying pressure in there. So I was actually patiently waiting if I can re-enter short just in case. But I saw the price like ascending and ascending. Look at that. 89, 90. I was actually looking for a short here. But since it's a round number, because it was a gap down stock, right? So you want to probably, so this is where I was thinking if I should short it or long, since it's back to view up. This is like you really have to decide quick, and you know where to exit when you enter. So I see. Yep. So closely watching it. Just fast forward this a bit since might take a while. Enter long. Was really hoping for 1925. Took some off there, just a little bit. Like, there you go. That's the break that I was hoping. Previous day's close is 1938. Closely watching 1938. Come on. I almost got stopped. There you go. That's the move I was hoping for. Oh man, I got rejected. Really hoping for 1950. Just almost close to my stop again. I took most of my profit at the previous day close. My mic was muted when I was talking. But yeah, I think this is where I will get stopped. Previous day close was really strong. So yeah, I decided to not to trade after this anymore because after getting rejected a few times, I said maybe it's done. But you know, and if you look at 5-minute candles, let's go there. Oh, that's JD. Why am I watching JD? DAL. Yeah, I did eventually went to high of day. I think yeah. Oh, actually high of day is there. So it looks like yeah, it was a tough trade. But I got a piece. Maybe it's still gonna try one more 1925. See, 1925 is like a key level. It's like someone's kind of like buying and selling at this area. Probably market makers are exchanging their shares in here, buying whoever wants to sell. Yeah, but yeah, I'm done for the day. I don't want to take it easy. It's Friday, and I'm happy to get a good portion of this. It's a good one. All right, have a good day, everyone. Stay safe. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Please do that for me. If you've been watching my videos, please do that favor for me. And if you have any comments or questions, just feel free to comment down below and I will get back to you. So this like long term for end of day trade, SPY looks like it's kind of trying. If SPY goes above VWAP, then this is probably a good thing to hold to long till 1977. Long within just this area. If it goes below, then no. Yeah. We'll see. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Peace.